Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make objects move on their own. So if you want to make a bouncing object or a moving object that goes back and forth, maybe you want to make a game that you're trying to run through obstacles or have a moving platform that you can stand on and it'll take your character up to a higher area and such. So we're going to import our bounce script first. Take a look at this script real quick. Alright, so we have the basic speed at which the box moves, item bounce up, true or false if it's going up or if it's going down. On start we enable the function for item bounce, and then our update function is constantly checking if item bounce is either true or if it's false. Either if it's true, it'll be moving in the Y position, and if it's false, it'll be moving in the Y direction, but it'll be doing the opposite of what it's doing, so either up or down. Okay, and item bounce is the first function that we call at the beginning, and it'll go through this for loop. And how we have it set up right now, it'll just go on for eternity, so it'll constantly be checking this and going through it. So we're using yield wait for seconds, so it'll wait for 0.2 seconds before it changes to false, and then it'll wait 0.2 before it changes it back to true. Then once it gets down here, it'll go back up and go back through this loop, and it'll constantly be calling these two different things. So let's go put this script onto our box and see what happens. Actually, I think it needs to be cranked up a lot more. Let's set it for 4. Yep. That is one crazy box. And if we set it for something like 2, and then if you want, you can also, go back into the script and change this wait for time. So, I mean, if you wanted to change it to like 8, the box would go a lot higher. Let's actually put this a little bit lower, see if we can actually jump on it, just to see if we could get a platform working. It's kind of freaking out. Well, I could probably try figuring out a way to turn this into a platform. It's kind of confusing with fast moving objects. You have to set it a certain way. Maybe I'll go over that in a different tutorial on how to make an actual elevator that will take you up, because the collision is a little messed up. But yeah.